I'll be showing you how to animate colors in Adobe Premiere Pro starting right now. First I'll be making this footage black and white. To do this, first, you have to go to the color panel. Next, go to the Creative section. As you can see, this panel is sort of out of focus. That's because the footage hasn't been highlighted. So I'll go ahead and do that by clicking on the footage. As you saw, the Creative section came back to focus. Now I'll go to the Look section and choose the monochrome Fuji effect. Alright, now the footage is black and white. Now go to the Effect Controls section and find the effect you just used. There it is. See that intensity section right there? We'll be making keyframes for that section. For those who don't know what keyframes are, they're basically used to animate things. In Premiere Pro, anything that has the stopwatch icon in front of it can be animated. Here, I'll show you what happens when you click on this number and drag the mouse left and right. When I drag it to the left, the colors start appearing, and when I drag it to the right, the colors start disappearing. Alright then, let's start making keyframes. First, click on the stopwatch to turn it on. As you saw, doing that created a keyframe here. Now let's move the playhead to about here and create a keyframe at that point. We want the colors to be fully visible at this point, so click on this number and drag your mouse to the left. Instead of doing that, you can also just click on this number and type 0. Either way, doing that will create a keyframe here, right at the point where I moved the playhead to. Let's move the playhead again and create a keyframe there. We want the footage to go back to black and white at this point, so you can either click on this number and drag your mouse to the right or click on the number and type 200. Likewise, keep creating keyframes throughout the footage. Make the colors visible in one keyframe and turn them black and white in the next keyframe. Alright, let's see how it turned out. As you saw, the animation is very slow. If this happens to you too, you can make it faster by adding more keyframes. First, let's move these keyframes a little bit closer. Alright, now let's make new keyframes. Let's check how it turned up this time. It looks way better than earlier. For what type of video are you going to use this effect? Let me know in the comments below. If you found value in this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notifications so that you won't miss any videos like this. You might find these videos useful as well, so go ahead and check them out. I offer video editing services on Fiverr, so if you want me to edit your video, you can drop me a comment or go to my Fiverr profile via the link in the video description below. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.